What's going on, guys? Back again with another Clickbank and affiliate marketing video. Today's video is about how do you choose a nice offer to promote and make money with Clickbank, and how do you drive targeted traffic for your offer. If you guys don't know what is Clickbank, Clickbank is an affiliate marketing marketplace for software, and they also have some digital, some physical products, but mostly it's about software products. That is what is Clickbank, and they have many offers, and you can choose. Now we are at the marketplace of Clickbank. Here are the main categories that you will be promoting. For myself and most of other affiliates, they either promote health and fitness, or they promote e-business and e-marketing. That's what I do for piss-ups and other stuff. And if you want to promote health and fitness, like losing weight and stuff, that's another video. For this the video, I'm gonna be promoting um, products like 12-minute system or commission hero. So now we are at the Udemy, and Udemy is the best place where you can get, if you are not familiar with how to run ads with Facebook or Instagram or Google or PPC, anything that is Bing. So you could come to Udemy and search for sellers that are selling, that has huge email list. So once you find an offer for us, we found an offer which is the 12-minute system. Then we'll be searching for niche that is, for example, like Evan, who has BizOps, anything that make money related, and he's selling each lead that he sent to 40 cent. Then you could be getting for 300 or 400 visitors, and then usually 40 to 50% will opt into your lead. Before that, you also should make a click funnel. If you don't have a click funnel, it's really nice if you want to build a landing page. Very simple, very easy to use. I'll leave a link for 14 days free trial in the link in the description. I'm gonna also be offering you an funnel that you can also copy my funnel and then use that funnel. For example, um, this funnel that I have, which is that I've been promoting, Funnel Genie software, you could use the same funnel like this. I built this funnel very simple, that says watch this free training, and then whenever someone leaves, then they should be opting in. I'm going to also provide you another funnel that very simple to use to direct traffic. Once you have the funnel ready, then you should be going to to a seller that has it. Then you should be putting your also, the other thing that you should also consider, if you want to track your links, you should be using Click Magic. Very nice software. It's also there's a 30 days free trial. You can use that 30 days free trial and get track your links. Very simple, easy to use again. Once you have that ready, then put your click magic here and then add to cart. Very simple. Also, if you, I'll be adding the Udemy. Once if you sign up with the link that I'm going to provide you, I'll be also send you a message on the on your messages, and also you'll be getting $5 for free. So if you never tried it, then use the link that I'm going to provide you down below. Then so you can get free $5 of your purchase, either now or the next purchase you're going to use. Now, since we have everything, and the other thing, if you want to check for the solos ads that are you going to use, you should read them and you should read their reviews. If someone has 30% sales, that means the guy has a really huge list, that 30% of his list they are buyers. Then if you use his, then and have an offer, like for example the 12-minute system, which is the average sale is $75, then you're good to go. And the other thing you should be considering to check is the gravity. For now, The 12-minute system has 242 people promoting this. That means at least 242 people who promoted this have got a sale. I've been promoting this a lot, then I've been getting consistent sales. The other thing they have is a recurring commission, which is like monthly. You'll be getting commission from users who keep rebilling their account with 12-minute system. So that's for the 12-minute system. And now that I spoke about the Udemy, and the ClickFunnel, the thing that you're going to be using, which I'm going to provide you in the description below, and the Click Magic, so that you can track the leads that you're getting. That's it. So you're good to go. And if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe and comment anything down below for suggestions that you want me to add in the next video. And thank you for showing interest, and I'll be speaking with you guys again tomorrow.